Story of Muhammad Ghori and slave dynasty. During the last quarter of 12th century, Muhammad Ghori was ruling a kingdom. He defeated Prithviraj Chauhan and Delhi came under the rule of Muhammad Ghori. The slave dynasty came. Qutbuddin Aibak was the first sultan of Delhi. He had originally been a slave, hence the dynasty founded by him is known as slave dynasty. He had also started constructing the Qutub Minar. Later it was completed by Iltutmish. Iltutmish's sons were useless, so he had announced his daughter Razia to be the next sultan.
I am the only female during the rule of Sultanate period. I dressed up as a man and led my army to the field.
The Khilji dynasty.
After the slave dynasty, the Khilji dynasty came to the power. I am the Alauddin Khilji, who was the strongest ruler of Sultan's Delhi.
His rule was based on military power.
The policies of Alauddin Khilji. He introduced several reforms in administrative, military and economic field. He regulated price of goods commonly consumed. He banned the consumption of liquor and gambling in Delhi. The guilty were severely punished.
Alauddin aspired to conquer entire India in first intention. He conquered North India by his military strength. To South India he sent Malik Kafur.
I am the Malik Kafur. I am the closest slave to Alauddin Khilji. The kingdoms conquered by the Malik Kafur were the Yadavas of Maharashtra, the Kakatiyas of Andhra of Oisalas of Karnataka and the Pandavas of Tamil Nadu. He patronized Amir Khusro and Amir Hassan and other Persian poets. He built new fort in Delhi known as Siri. The Grand Scale Alia Darwaza, was his contribution to architecture.
Finally, Malik Kafur greed of power and declared himself as a sultan. And within a short time, he also was killed by his enemies. And within a short time, the Khilji dynasty was ended and the Tughlaq dynasty came to the power.
Was the most notable sultan of the Tughlaq dynasty. He was a scholar, practical since he took decisions in haste.
We have to transfer our capital to Devagiri, Maharashtra.
Okay, king.
So let's go. I will make mistake resetting of capital.
King ordered to change the net copper coins.
Okay.
Start. They were making the copper coins to the king, and king was giving them a silver coins.
King, take silver coins.
Hey, take here.
You have to use your old coins.
Okay.
Okay, king. Muhammad bin Tughlaq was died for 6 years. After the Tughlaq rule, Lodi ruled